Hi everyone, happy holidays. Today I want to talk to you about Sticky Studio. Sticky Studio is one of our most recent products that was developed after the pandemic when a lot of people were forced to collaborate together online. So Sticky Studio is a collaborative whiteboard that basically mimics the idea of all being in a meeting room together and brainstorming ideas. When developing Sticky Studio, we wanted to stick to some key principles. The first one is we wanted to keep it simple. We wanted Sticky to be as intuitive as possible and really have that feeling of being together in the physical world. Secondly is that we wanted to treat relationships as first-class citizens. Sometimes it's not just about what's written on these stickies, it's also about the connections between them. Third, we wanted to maintain the depth and richness of actual conversation. So we made sure that you can see what others are doing at the same time on the board, but we also allowed something called huddles. Huddles is basically a Zoom that is incorporated into the board. So you can now talk in real time as you're pasting stickies. Fourth, we wanted to balance real-time and asynchronous collaboration. So that means that you can create a board together right now in real time, but you can still also access it later to maybe make some updates, make some changes to the data, or involve some colleagues that weren't able to be there during the actual meeting. So check it out through the link below and let us know what you think.